Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today we're gonna unbox an Easter kit. We're gonna make cookies. This is so cool, guys. We have orange sprinkles, icing, and blue sprinkles. And I want to decorate the duck white and blue and pink and yellow and orange and green. I want to decorate the cookie duck, and the cookie duck is yellow. Here it is. Aika, quack, 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 quack. I'm massaging the icing because so I can decorate it. Yay, I'm done with the icing is dry. Yummy for the cookies. This is my family. This is Bunny. Just wait for the bunny to dry. Now the bunny is dry, and we will put the pink icing.
That's it. Oh, that's it.
This is my blue flower. Yay, I'm done with my Easter cookies. They look so beautiful and yummy and sweet. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have the duck, we have the carrot, we have the flower, we have now the rabbit. Thanks for watching, guys. Like, share, subscribe to our channel. Bye. The carrot's dry now.
Goodbye, rabbit.